traveling alone this month. Actually, hindi ko nga ito super light. My first travel, super light talaga sa Busa. It's Busa. We're walking papuntang San Sebo kasi yung bus, nag-stop na siya sa terminal. So, we're walking.
Stick magkano? 150. Let's see.
I think I'm gonna pick this one. Hey guys, so papunta na tayong Busa's Cafe. Walang masyadong nagawa dito kasi onti pa lang tao. And ang nagawa ko na dito is photo booth. Papakita yung picture right here. And after Busa's Cafe, maybe uwi na tayo. Mabilis lang talaga. Self-treat lang after exam. I'm so happy!
Hi guys, so I'm here right now to Busa's and I'm eating gimeshi and I asked for a chili powder on the side. Probably the last stop ko na to. Earlier I was at Salcedo Market and then I walked going to Mercado Market kasi malapit lang, magkatabi lang naman sila. Kain guys. Sobrang sarap nito.
Let's go home guys! I'll probably do this again, solo date. Good thing pala na I didn't wear heels guys. Kasi kanina I was planning on wearing heels. Because I wanna sleep and all. But good thing hindi na lang. Kasi there's so much walking guys. Grabe. Tapos ang init pa. Buti na lang I have my fan with me. And yeah, pauwi na tayo. Just a quick stop at cafe. And kasi sa parang kapitbahay na dati na lagi siya nasa. And para rin pagpaluman memory. Touchdown. Catleries pa. Magka-catleries pa. Huwag na. Thank you.